Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we'll be doing circuit training. Our circuit today has 6 exercises, so I will go through them with you once. With a full circuit, typically it's 3 to 4 times or whatever feels best for you. We're going to start by doing 30 seconds for each exercise, but if you feel like you want to do a little bit longer on anything, you're more than welcome to do that. I have my timer here, so we will get started. Our first exercise is going to be calf raises, so I'll start the clock. When you're doing these circuits, you want to try to go as fast as you can, but whatever feels good for you, you just want to get in as many reps as you can in the allotted time. Seconds. Next, we're going to be doing curls into presses. 5 more seconds of rest here. For these, legs about shoulder width distance. Curl into a press. Curl, press. Good. Five seconds. Good. So on this circuit, we're trying to hit as many muscle groups as possible, so it's a nice full body workout. For our next one, we're going to do Russian twists. Here we go. You should be keeping your core tight, not letting your feet touch the ground. Really twisting your obliques here. Ten more seconds. Four, 3, 2, good. Okay. Now we're going to do sumo squats. So sumo squats just means you're going to have a little bit wider of a base. Here we go. Still want to get that 90-degree angle in your bend in your knees. Five more seconds. Good. Okay. Now for this, I have a VersaBar, 15 pounds, and we're going to do bent over rows. Halfway done. Five seconds. 2 and 1. Good job. Okay. Last one, we're going to do one leg Russian deadlifts with the kettlebell. So we'll switch halfway through which leg we're using. Last one this leg, then we'll switch. Five more seconds. 2 and 1. Okay, so for these 6 exercises, it took us just over 4 minutes to do one set. So again, 3 to 4 sets, If you're feeling good, you can do 5 sets. But this is good to get your heart rate up quickly and do a quick workout, but you're getting a really solid workout. So thank you for joining us today. Have a good one.